আসসালামু আলাইকুম। অ্যাকচুয়ালি অনেকগুলো সুপার এক্সাইটিং মোমেন্ট একসাথে হয়ে গেছে, সে কারণে আহ, প্রকাশ না করে পারতেছি না, অথবা ভিডিও কন্টিনিউশন না করে পারতেছি না, কারণ মোমেন্ট তো সবসময় আমার জন্য বসে থাকবে না। তো এখানে যা হচ্ছে, আমার ক্যানাডার জাপানিসিয়ান H4 জায়ান্ট। এখানে দেখেন আমি যেই প্রাইসটা ডিটারমিনেশন করেছি সেটা হচ্ছে এই লেভেল থেকে ওই লেভেলের মধ্যে। এখানে 179 pips. This is the return zone which called bounce back zone. এখান থেকে এখানে আইসা এটা বাউন্স ব্যাক করবে, এটাই এক্সপেক্টেড করেছিলাম। সো আমি এখানে সেল পেন্ডিং অর্ডার প্লেস করেছিলাম, এমনকি এটা এক্সিকিউটেড হয়ে এটা 292 around 300 pips, and I expected this will drop up to here at this. You see that I've clicked on this line, blue color line over there, but আমি এটাকে আরো হায়ার প্লেস করেছি যাতে আমি এনশিওর করতে পারি যে এটা অবশ্যই হিট করে টেক প্রফিটটা। তো 626 pips is my target for only for how many days? Very short days, maybe 1 week. So this is amazing. I don't think amazing skill. I don't think everyone has this kind of skill. So um, you decide. You decide whether you wanna stay with me or not. And then another super exciting one. You see, I have placed two order over there. One is here. I had determined one order here. I mean sell pending order here, but market penetrate through and still hit my second one. The second uh, price. Oh, sorry, it didn't hit, right? Didn't hit because of maybe that one happened due to the slippage, higher slippage. Okay, so only there's only one trade hit it, and it just returned back, crashing back to 370 or 20 pips, and I expected it from this to give me around 400 pips from Euro Japanese H4 chart. So New Zealand Japanese just have given you an overview. It didn't hit, it's just, you see, it just it will be hitting, so I just have to wait. Don't be panic on it. Okay, then CHF, Swiss franc and Japanese yen H4 chart. As you can see, it already has been taken profit. How many there? Around 517 pips within 4 days. Wow, I don't know how many trader has that kind of skill. Okay, but I'm glad that I have it and I can share with you, so stay with me. Let's see if I can present more. Oh, this one. This is Euro Swiss franc. You see my trading, I've traded here, just broken through this this zone just broken through. I mean, this zone was trading for a long time, as you can see this one. Okay, once I knew that if this is broken, then it will continue going up. So এটা কিন্তু একটা অন্য একটা স্ট্র্যাটেজি, breaking strategies, which is broken through the previous price. Okay, broken through the previous price. It was trading for a long time at this range, so broken through the range. Okay, so now it has given me 169 pips. I believe it will go up to there. I'll monitor it. If it I believe it will come back until here, from bounce back from another 15 pips, then it will go up to there. if it doesn't go from here to there, then I might be getting out around here. So maybe I have still 108 pips on it, but I believe it will hit. You will see it to the another live video. So that was for today. I think this was what has to be shown to you as a live trader. So I'll be you are invited to have watch the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.